To insert a row inside a sheet, just select the row that is in the point of interest, right-click and choose Insert, or press the Insert button in the Cells group of the Home tab. Alternatively, you can select a cell and choose the Insert Sheet Rows option by pressing the small down arrow next to the Insert button in the Cells group of the Home tab. The row will be added above the selected cell. The same thing can be done with columns. A column will be added to the left by selecting a column and choosing Insert from the menu that appears by pressing the right mouse button, or by the same button in the Cells group of the Home tab. Alternatively, you can select the Insert Sheet Columns option by pressing the small down arrow next to the Insert button in the Cells group of the Home tab. If you wish to add more rows or columns with a single command, you can select a number of rows or columns equal to those you want to insert and choose the desired option. An amount of rows or columns equal to those that have been selected will be added. Another way to add rows or columns is to right-click on a cell and, in the menu that appears, to choose Insert. A window will open from which you can decide whether to add an entire row, an entire column, or a single cell, consequently moving the surrounding cells to the right or down to make room for the cell you want to add. The insertion of rows and columns will not alter the functioning of the formulas present in the sheet. All the references will be adapted to the new coordinates taken by the cells. To delete a row or column, just select the number that marks the row or letter indicating the column. Press the right mouse button and choose Delete. Alternatively, you can select a cell belonging to the row or column to be deleted and press on the small arrow pointing down next to the Delete button in the Cells group of the Home tab. From there, you can choose Delete Sheet Rows or Delete Sheet Columns. These operations, if performed after selecting several rows or columns, will eliminate them all simultaneously. If you wish to delete one or more cells, you can select the cells to be deleted and, by pressing the right button, choose Delete or select Delete Cells by pressing the small arrow pointing down next to the Delete option from the Cells group on the Home tab. A dialog box will appear asking whether to move the cells to the left or upwards, so as to determine which cells will take the place of the deleted cells. If you press directly on the Delete button in the Cells group in the Home tab, the selected cells will be deleted and the ones below will take their place.